Here's why the US dollar is doomed. Western countries are about to experience the greatest banking crisis ever seen before. Central banks in Europe and the US are doing some really interesting things. Number one, stockpiling of gold. The Fed doesn't need to buy gold as the dollar isn't pegged to gold. What's worse is that the West is stealing a lot of that gold from countries like Africa. Number two, BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. BRICS has its own currency that's backed by gold. Many nations are applying to become part of it. If the nations who have expressed interest in joining BRICS do in fact join, that would represent 45% of the confirmed oil reserves in the world and over 60% of the natural gas reserves of the world. The combined GDP would be $29 trillion. That's larger than the US's current $23 trillion. Number three, China. The BRICS nations will be using China's banking infrastructure instead of the US-led IMF and World Bank. That's a major shift in the world's economy